Hello everyone, it is the Frugal Soul Gardener here with more tips on frugal living. This time for somebody who has a very small kitchen or has a crowd to feed and already your stove is full and your oven is full and you still don't have enough food. Your air fryer is the solution to make stir fry. That is a great way to make your meat dollars stretch, especially if you go ahead and make some rice in your rice cooker. That'll even bulk up the meal more. Stir fry is very simple. Now, since you're using the air fryer, what I have to do myself is I will cook different components separately and then bring them all together. It's really a one-pot meal, but it's in this case it's a one air fryer meal. I would begin with your meat. Now you can start by starting with boneless, skinless chicken thighs, but personally I wouldn't buy them like that. I would buy them bone on, skin on, because the fat and the bone will actually release flavor, and it's actually cheaper. So I would just take your air fryer, and you're going to put your seasoned chicken in the basket, and be cooking that meat. And while you're doing that, you can also have your rice going. Now, if you're going with brown rice takes 45 minutes to cook in a rice cooker. Meanwhile, you can be cutting up your vegetables. It can be any vegetables you like. Onions, bell pepper, mushrooms, whatever vegetables you like. Especially the vegetables, they have to be cooked like yesterday. And once your, whatever meat it is, but we'll just go with chicken for now, you're going to pull that out and you're going to add your vegetables. You're going to get those going. Make sure you season those. Soy sauce. By the way, soy sauce, a good place for soy sauce, Dollar Tree. So your vegetables are going to be going, and once you have them going, you can go ahead and you can skin the chicken, and you can cut that up. Once those veggies are done, you can put the chicken back in the air fryer, let everything heat through. And another great thing about using the air fryer is even when it's hot, using the air fryer, it doesn't release as much heat. It also cooks faster. So you are saving money on your utility bills because A, you're not having the AC on as much, and B, your appliances tend to cost less than even using your stove, and definitely cheaper than using your oven. So I hope these tips help you. In the meantime, I want to tell you, you're going to make it. Even if you're scared and you don't know what's coming, especially if you're feeling nervous about where your next meal is coming from, I want to know, you're going to make it. Don't be afraid to get help from the food bank. If you've got a food bank, go there. They'll help you. They want to help you. Take advantage of food stamps. Do whatever you need to do to get some food in your kitchen. And again, I believe in you. You're going to make it. And if we work together, we are absolutely going to make it. And I am with you 100%, cheering you on. So until next time, happy saving.